Hey guys, this is everything looking out to here, and this is going to be fire alarm system test 22, so let's get started. So, yeah, got the panel like always. New here, we got the Edwards 278B 1120. So yeah, it's new. Up here, I got the system sensor 2424 smoke. And over here, we have the ESC Genesis G1R at the CVM chime strobe. No, this is not a horn strobe, this is a chime strobe. So yeah. And I think it's set to 15 candela, I believe it is, yeah. Or indicator. The Wheelock LED Exceeder LSTR D56-1P heat detector, which I will not be doing today. Got the Firelight BG12, a nutsator, and we got the Ansel rebranded Wheelock WST. And the Prior Detector 3212T, which I will not be doing a heat detector test on this today, just the smoke part. So, yeah. Anyway, here we go. Be quiet. One hand, but I got it. Right. There it is. So then reset the pulsation. We'll go ahead and reset the panel. Okay. Now we're gonna do the BG12, the Firelight BG12. So here we go. So that's it by the nutsator. Since the ESC Genesis is 2-wire, it's not going to do audible silence. Once I have the Genesis single master, here's the Exceeder, LED Exceeder. So, yes, this is alarm's 2-wire, it's not going to do audible silence. So, yeah. Anyway. Okay. That's reset. I'm going to reset the panel. Now we're ready to do the smoke detector, so we'll go ahead. Pop this in the fan. So, let the smoke out to the chamber. So yeah, I'm gonna make the plate for this. I don't have the air care right now because I forgot to bring it. So we'll get the plate. Be here for a second. So yeah, here we go. To activate. There it goes. Okay, blew the smoke out of the chamber. And we'll reset the panel. Okay. Now we're going to do the Pyrotector Phoenix 312T. There it goes. That's it. Now clear the smoke out of the chamber. It is. Okay. So now I'm going to reset. It's okay, so there it is, guys. That was Fire Alarm Synth S22. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.